All my journey is to be authentically who I am, not trying to be somebody else. The whole world is confused because they're trying to be somebody else. To be your true self, it takes enormous work.
All I do is work.
I'm not arguing that with you.
Who I am? Who I am?
I don't know who I am.
That's what we're all searching for, to find out who I am, who's in there.
Who we are is this infinite intelligence, and we forget that.
You gotta go in deep.
I'm not arguing that with you.
The same intelligence that created this infinite universe that never ends
Nobody likes you.
is you.
Everybody hates you.
You manifested in this infinite, divine, organizing intelligence.
You're gonna lose.
I'm not that kind of guy.
I'm a new man.
What kind of guy are you?
This is not the old me.
This guy who says he's me, he thinks he's me?
This is the new me.
This is the truth. I changed. I changed.
I gotta find myself.
But I'm not me.
We know that we have a purpose. You already know that you have a purpose.
I need to find God.
I do know now that it was light, it was God, it was that divine intelligence, whatever you call it.
He's always wanted to look like me, talk like me, be like me.
I'm not that kind of guy.
I'm a new man.
What kind of guy are you?
This is not the old me.
This guy who says he's me, he thinks he's me?
This is the new me.
This is the truth. I changed. I changed.
When you were a little kid, you knew who your body was and who you were.
There are things that are known, and there are things that are unknown. And in between are the doors. And even Jesus said, I am the door. That is, the internal I amness within God is the door.
You're more connected to life. You're connected to the universe. You're connected to the stars. You're connected to the sky, the ocean, the earth. You're connected to the fires and passions of life. You're connected to your family. You're connected to your friends. And that connection, it just seems to grow and grow and grow.
Honest to God,
Whatever it is that I have said here today,
honest to God, I think I'm doing fine.
I'm not that kind of guy.
I'm a new man.
What kind of guy are you?
This is not the old me.
This guy who says he's me, he thinks he's me?
This is the new me.
This is the truth. I changed. I changed.
This is not the old me.
This guy who says he's me, he thinks he's me?
This is the new me.
This is the truth. I changed. I changed.
This is not the old me.
This guy who says he's me, he thinks he's me?
This is the new me.
I'm not arguing that with you.
I can't do this anymore. I